Hey everyone. So today I am here to discuss about a book which I read recently, which is Sita, Warrior of Mithila by Amish Tripathi, and by unusual coincidence it can be said, that book has become one of my favorite books by Indian authors. Like, it is written so well that if you want to give an Indian author, a new Indian author, example like how you want to write a book, you can seriously show them this book. Like, this is a way to write a book, and it is so beautifully written. Like, all the characters which are same as the Ramayan characters were, but the one mistake that people do is to mix up the Ramchandra series and Ramayana. Ramchandra series is not actually the retelling of Ramayana, which is mostly understood by the people, misunderstood by the people, to be very specific. Actually, what Amish does is he just have taken up all the characters from Ramayana, the names of the characters, and described them as a normal human being. There are many different things which have been discussed in this book. Like, obviously, the story goes in the same plot, which coming to the plot of the book. It has the same basic plot, we can say. Like, Ram and Sita get married. They go to the Vanvas, and Ravan kidnaps Sita. This is the main plot actually of all the three books. But what the book says is, it describes the character of Sita, Ram and Ravan individually in all the three books, how they are as a human being, normal human being. And the character of Sita is what I just loved in this book. Like, she is so much empowered. She is so much stronger than any other person in this book. Like, there are many things which go in the flow, but the reasons for Sita marrying Ram, Sita for calling Ram to attend her Swayamvar is different. The reason for what they go to Vanvas is different, and it is very impressive. Like, the way his brain, the author's brain has worked, it is really very impressive. And it is said that after describing all the three roles of Ram, Sita and Ravan, then a fourth book will be coming probably, which will take the story ahead. But so far, the second book of the Ramchandra series has been amazing. I am just in love with that book. Like, the character of Sita is so beautiful, and all the other characters which are defined, I can say, in very new manner. Like, the character of Hanuman basically is my favorite, and you should really read that book. It is the best. And also, it is a standalone, we can say. Like, you don't need to read the first book to understand the second book in the series. Therefore, you can directly read Sita, Warrior of Mithila, which is my personal suggestion. Please do read at least Sita, Warrior of Mithila from the Ramchandra series. I have rated this book 4 out of 5 because that it was very beautiful, okay, but the wow factor was little bit less, I can say. Not missing, it was just little bit less. Therefore, I gave it 4 stars. And my takeaway, there are many takeaways actually. I cannot tell you a specific one, but the book is really very beautiful. Also, from philosophical point of view, it is really very beautiful. Like, all the philosophical teachings, all the self lessons that you will learn from few verses, few conversations that is given into the book is really very appreciative, and that's the thing I loved about the book. Thank you very much for listening to me so far. Please kindly like and comment below. All the suggestions for any improvement are welcome. Thank you.